Happy holidays from KEM Solutions. Today, we're putting on our detective hats, or maybe Santa hats, and diving into one of Truckmate's most powerful tools, the Trip Tracer screen. Think of it as your ultimate sleigh navigation system for freight bills, helping you locate them quickly and efficiently at any point in your workflow. The holiday season is one of the busiest times of the year. Just like Santa needs to know where every gift is on his route, you need to track your freight bills with precision. The Trip Tracer screen is here to help, offering a variety of search options to save you time and keep your operations running smoothly. In today's Advent tip, we'll cover the basics of the Trip Tracer screen and perhaps show you some tricks you have not used before. Let's get started. To access the Trip Tracer screen, you can use several options through the SaaS program listing, the Truckmate menu, or the Start menu if you have a local install. But did you know there's a faster way? Trip Tracer is part of Truckmate's Connected Operations applications, meaning you can use the quick link buttons at the top of the screen to open it alongside tools like customer service, dispatch, and driver call-in. The screen is divided into two sections, the top section for entering search criteria and the bottom grid for displaying results. Some fields may appear grayed out, depending on your selected criteria. For instance, if you're tracing by trip info, the system pulls data from the dispatch screen. If you trace by freight bill, it pulls from the customer service screen. This setup ensures you're working with the most relevant data for your search. Here are some handy search tips to make the most of Trip Tracer. Use the wildcard character % to search for partial matches. For example, if your trace number starts with S123, but you're unsure about the rest, you can search for S123% to find bills starting with that. Or, you can search for %S% for any bills with the letter S anywhere within it. This saves time when details are inconsistent. Combine multiple criteria for more precise searches. For instance, you can search by bill to code, commodity, and delivery city simultaneously. Be mindful, though, complex searches with extensive criteria might impact performance during peak times. The Trip Tracer screen is versatile and useful for a variety of tasks. Here are a few examples. Lane Analytics. Analyze pickup and delivery patterns using zone-based searches. For example, you can search for all loads from a specific customer that originate in Ontario and deliver to Halifax. This is especially helpful for identifying trends or possible backhaul opportunities. Finding administrative issues. Check for manually rated bills if you're using auto rating, or see how many bills were rated against a specific rate sheet. These options are relatively new, so you may not have explored them yet. Brokerage and asset movements. Search for brokered loads only, or find loads assigned to a specific carrier. Or search for loads delivered by certain drivers. This helps streamline your different business workflows. Tracking your work. Looking for something you created. Search by the Created By field, along with bill numbers and pickup dates, to pinpoint your quotes or loads with ease, especially those pesky NA bills. Status-based searches. Filter bills by current status or exclude specific statuses. For example, you can locate all bills that haven't been delivered yet. Combine this with other criteria for a powerful, targeted search. Let's say Buddy the Elf takes a call from a customer looking for their order. The customer doesn't have the freight bill number, but they know the load is delivering to Halifax today and hasn't been delivered yet. Buddy can use the Trip Tracer screen, ask a few key questions, and locate the load instantly, all while staying on the phone with the customer. How's that for holiday magic? Once your search results populate in the bottom grid, double-clicking a bill will open it in the customer service screen. But here's a tip. Right-clicking on the grid unlocks even more options. For example, view notes at the trip or freight bill level, noted with underlined entries. See associated resources, such as drivers or carriers. Change the trip or freight bill status with the right permissions. Or export the grid to Excel for an impromptu report. These features make Trip Tracer an incredibly efficient tool, saving you time and effort during your busy season. The Trip Tracer screen truly is the ultimate holiday helper for freight operations. With versatile search options, intuitive features, and powerful reporting capabilities, it's like having Santa's naughty or nice list for freight bills. Whether you're solving mysteries, identifying trends, or providing top-notch customer service, Trip Tracer has you covered. Thanks for tuning in to today's Advent Calendar tip. Be sure to check back tomorrow for another sleigh load of Truckmate tricks and tools. Until then, keep your freight bills on track and your holiday spirits high. Happy tracing and happy holidays from all of us at KEM Solutions.